Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making some mantecadito cookies, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to be using. So here I have my all-purpose flour, I have some sugar, butter, salt, I have vanilla extract, I have yellow food coloring, and I have, of course, my colorful sprinkles. So let's get started. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to come and do is add my butter. You want to make sure that your butter is room temperature, okay? Because you want it to be easy to mix. And I will have all the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description below. Now I'm also going to add my sugar. Okay. And I'm also going to add my salt. And I'm just going to come and whisk everything together. Okay, you want to make sure everything is nice and blended together. Okay, so just keep mixing. See how it's already turning into a paste? That's what you're looking for. Okay, so we're going to keep mixing for like a good 30 seconds. Okay, now that this is mixed, I'm going to come with my vanilla extract and just pour it right in there and just continue to mix it. Mix it for a good another 30 seconds. Okay. Okay guys, so now that this is blended well, we're gonna come with our flour and we're just gonna start adding. So what I like to do is add little by little and just mix. Okay, so once you mix it and you see that it's already being blended well together, we're gonna come with the rest just like that. Okay guys, so what you're gonna do is come with a spatula and we're just gonna fold it. Okay, you don't want to no longer mix, you just want to fold. Okay, once you have it completely folded all together that you don't see the flour, then we're gonna come and add our food coloring. Okay, so let me continue. Okay guys, so I mixed it for a good 20 seconds. Now I'm gonna come and start adding my food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do 5 drops at first, and then we're gonna mix it in. So you're gonna put as many drops as you want until you get the color you're looking for. I usually add around 8 to 10 drops. Okay, so that was 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and now I'm just gonna mix this all up. Be right back. So guys, this is the color that I'm looking for. You want it to look nice and yellow. Okay, so what I'm gonna keep doing is just mixing it because I want to make sure that it all has that yellow color. Okay, so guys, what I did right now is I put parchment paper on my baking pan, and now we're gonna make the bolitas of cookies right now. Okay, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some like this, put it in my hand, and we're gonna roll it into a nice ball, as round as you can get it. Okay, don't worry, my hands are clean, and again, I will have the ingredients and the amount I'm using in my description. So as round as you can get it. Okay, around there. You could do them any size you prefer. Okay, once you have it the way you want, I'm gonna come with the sprinkles and I'm just gonna go over it just like this, just like that, as simple as that. And I'm gonna come and just place it on my baking sheet. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna do it to all the rest. Guys, I just want to show you, so I ended up making 13. If you make them a little smaller, you'll get more out of it. If you make them a little bigger, you'll get less out of it. It depends how you want it. To me, this is a good size, and this is a great recipe to make with your kids, your nieces and nephews. It's great for the whole family. So now what I'm going to do is just put this in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes and we'll be right back. Guys, so this is the way my cookies came out. They're so good. If you want them to come out a little flatter, you can add just a bit more butter, but I love them like this. So let me just show you. I'm missing one because my husband already ate it. He couldn't wait. So let me just show you. Look at that. Hold on, let me focus this because you guys need to see. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness, if you guys try this, please let me know in the comments. And like always, have a blessed day. Enjoy.